Hey, I'm Akash. I'm building Reforge. So, few of the hard-won lessons are that I learned that tokens aren't really free, and almost nobody building right now on LLMs act like that. And this comes from my experience when I was working very close to the metal, and that's not Apple Metal, but more on GPU side. I worked at CERN on making GPU kernels efficient and available for all of the GPUs, irrespective of the vendors, as well as I worked on TPUs when I was making models available for VLLMs, TPU inference. So when I was working on that level, I actually felt the cost of running bigger models such as 1 trillion parameters and even more, and the upcoming state of the art frontier labs are only focusing on the biggest of the models. So the few of the things we actually see nowadays is using some features like ultra code on Claude Code is that it fans out like tens and even 16 and even more of these agents that run parallelly, and even these agents will have their own sub agents, and the numbers goes out to like hundreds and even 200s. So while everyone thinks that coordination does happen, one problem I can't stop thinking is that when these agents are actually working in hundreds and 200s numbers, they actually make different work trees and different branches so that they work on different features parallelly. This actually seems very efficient when you are actually seeing from a team perspective. They make task.md files, they also make different sorts of memory layers. But even with these memory layers, a single agent will never know if a certain sub feature is made for another feature in some other work tree, and that is almost impossible to know right now. And this makes us feel that we are making the same feature again and again. And when you actually scale this up to teams and bigger repositories, the everything adds up, and this actually becomes a token debt. And this is one of the problems I cannot stop thinking, and I'll be working on this.